Percussion.
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 Percussion is a noun. As a noun, percussion can mean 1. The collision of two bodies in order to produce a sound. 2. The sound so produced. 3. The detonation of a percussion cap in a firearm. 4. The tapping of the body as an aid to medical diagnosis. 5. The section of an orchestra or band containing percussion instruments. Such instruments considered as a group, in bands, may be separate from drum kits. 6. The repeated striking of an object to break or shape it, as in percussion drilling. 7. The outer side of the hand.
To a 1,000,000 star rating. Thank you.